So it really took some considerable hours for me to record some videos, only for them to be deleted when I moved them. So I'll introduce myself here. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Mork TV. I'll try to salvage whatever I can to create a tutorial on how to use your phone into a desktop. So first of all, you will need one of these. So first of all, you would need one of these, a USB Type-C hub with HDMI. So the thing that I bought has two ports, so the thing I bought and got recently is this one, a Sumlet USB-C hub 4-in-1 Type-C to HDMI multi-port adapter. It's a very long name, but basically it's a hub or an extension of ports for your phone or laptop. So it only got 4 ports. The first one is an HDMI. The one on the left is a power delivery port. So it's a USB-C that you can go and charge your phone with while it's connected to this hub. And the other two are normal USB ports, with the right one being USB 3.1. So just a disclaimer, not all phones have a desktop mode. We have a lot of things to keep in mind about it. So first of all, your phone would need a USB-C 3.1 port. So it's the port that you charge your phone with. As for my case, I use a Huawei P40 Pro. It's a flagship phone from 2020, one of the top of the line but outdated already. So usually, in the case of other brands like Xiaomi, there's only USB-C 2.0. We have to keep in mind that this port doesn't support video out or HDMI. So no matter what we do, it will not output video if you ever try to plug in an HDMI to your phone and a computer. I mean a monitor. So what kind of phones do you need exactly for this? First of all, you would need a mid-range or a flagship phone. So I have listed the phone brands that have this kind of feature. They're mostly flagship and some mid-range phones, but it's best if you search for your phone first whether it has a feature like this or not. Usually Xiaomi doesn't have this feature, so please keep that in mind. So I guess without further ado, let's start to show how to connect the hub to this phone of mine. And I also show what you get is a USB-C connector. I don't know why doesn't focus. But anyway, let's move on. And we get so it finally worked. Honestly, that's not what we're looking for. So we will convert this one to desktop mode. That's where it all starts. So what can we do with the desktop mode? So basically you can browse here. Let's say google.com. And you also get the desktop mode of the website, which is good actually. You may also go to Facebook and have the same results. So the good thing here is that you can open multiple windows like in a normal desktop PC. You may also drag this one. Also, you may choose which audio device to output. So in my case, the speaker in here is the monitor itself. So let's try to open Spotify. You may also do that. You may also open YouTube. No problems there. Let's try to watch
ever since I was a kid.
the new One Piece.
He's been calling me.
So aside from that, you may also open the Office application. So since this is a Huawei device, Google Apps are not supported that much. So we will use the WPS Office. So easy, right? So you can type. You may do some office work here. And by office work, I mean just some light work, because unlike Google Sheets, which syncs almost instantly, this one is a third-party app. This card. So aside from the spreadsheet, you may also create a Word, a PowerPoint presentation. So you can basically do anything here. So some apps don't really scale well, but work somehow in this kind of setup. So let's try, let's see. I believe Netflix doesn't work here. Let's try playing directly through the HDMI. Oh, so it does work when it's wired. Because if it's in wireless setup, like if you cast it in the TV, to the TV, doesn't work. It's only black. So here you may also watch Netflix, which is good. So you can hear Over here, it's from the monitor. The audio comes from the monitor. We can also see here Zoom. Let's see if it works. Let's try to have a new meeting. Let's see if it will use the camera. So we can use the camera. There's the front facing and the rear. Low. Try playing a game, which is Dynasty Warriors. So here we're playing as Liu Bei on the side of Shu. So it's pretty fast. No frame drops so far. It's kept to a maximum 100%. So let's try when we're fighting. So this thing is best played with a controller, like any other game. So what can I say about using desktop mode in a phone? So first of all, it's very convenient. There's a lot of features that can be used. You can multitask unlike in a phone. But there's one thing that concerns me. At the end of the day, it's still a phone, so please use this one sparingly if you don't want to destroy the battery of your phone, because this one really drains your battery. So what are the alternatives to this kind of setup? First of all, you can buy a mini PC, you can buy a Raspberry Pi, a Linux distribution, which is way better than this one. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something.